Hi everyone and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1972 Ford Gran Torino. Love this car, guys. Special order, black car, so it's black, factory black on black. Ton of documentation, guys. This is a two-owner Virginia car. Big story actually behind this. This was a buddy of mine's. This was his father's car that he owned for a long time. Like I say, there's only two owners of this car. Awesome car, man. A factory 351 H-code car with air. Factory tack and gauge car. Just a super, super nice car too, guys. If you're looking for a good, solid, straight Torino, I think you're gonna just love this car. Clean Virginia body. Car's got all the original body panels on it. Love what they've done. It's got the 15-inch Magnum 500s car. That's the way the car came to. BF Goodrich radial TAs all the way around it. And man, just a killer car, man. Runs and drives excellent. Just hits the road outstanding. Good car, man. I can't say enough about it. Got a ton of documentation. Original owner's manuals, original window sticker, original build sheet for the car. I mean, you name it. When they open the trunk, there's a Marty report for it. It's got almost all the original chrome and stainless, so you can nitpick the car as we walk around it. You know, you can definitely see the bumpers are aged. Got the original bumperettes. That was an option on these cars. But man, just a good car. Love the hood. I believe they said it had one repaint. Matter of fact, I think in the jams it's still got the original paint in there. Again, you can see some little minor things that you can nitpick on the car, but very, very nice. I mean, you can see plenty of shine on it. Yeah, I like this car, guys, a lot. Something you don't see every day. This is truly a collector quality car, too. See, that thing's nice and straight down the sides. Love the magnums on these cars. Pretty car. Car's nice and solid underneath. Very original. Like I say, the car is it's been well maintained. Trim on the car is nice. Sorry guys, it's just a little wax strip. If you see that in the photos. Factory power front disc brakes. See my bald head glaring off there. Dual sport mirrors. Again, this is the original 351 H-code engine, factory two-barrel, factory intake and exhaust manifolds, power steering, power front disc brakes, does have factory air and it does work. FMX automatic trans. Outstanding car. Glass is good. Doors open and close real nice. It's factory tinted glass. It see a couple little stone pecks as we kind of walk around it. You can find something in any of them, guys. I always tell you that. Well, I like this car. And nice driver, man. Really hits the road good. There's a few little marks in the side glass. If you want to nitpick something, you see the little door rubber has some cracks in it. It's just fingerprints opening the doors. This, I think, is the original paint in these door jambs, guys. Factory black vinyl interior. Car's only got 80, I think it's 81,000 miles on it. You can see it's kind of rubbed there. That's actually, I think that's actually the original paint. Original Ford door tag. Factory bench seat. Looks like it's got all the correct seat belts and everything in it. As a matter of fact, it's got the shoulder harnesses in it. Headliner's in great shape. Factory dash, factory AM radio. Factory tack and gauges, 81, 420 something, 20 something on there. Nice car. Dual exhaust. It's got the factory rear end, still got the factory gear. It's like a 278 rear end. And then look at this. I'll go around the little edges here so you can see it. I always try to show you the trunk ledge so you can see it's not all rusty or anything. Original numbers are still on your quarters. Factory jack, he's got a Magnum spare in there. Again, I think this is your original paint in here. Look at everything in here. Original sales invoice. There's your original window sticker, owner's manuals, build sheet, Marty report. That's your original title. Just a ton of Virginia inspections and registrations. The original 1972 plate for the car. Just a killer car, man. The car has just got a great look. Like I say, nice and clean underneath. Doors are nice and clean. Hard to find cars like this, guys. Seats are nice. Oh, I've ordered new floor mats for it. I don't like it. It's kind of chintzy in here. I've ordered new Torino embroidered floor mats. They'll be black with the silver Torino. See, the dash is nice. It's not all busted up. Good car. You can go ahead and fire it up, Nathan. Original door handles. Car runs and drives excellent, man. Just kicked your air on. It works. That's a nice car right there, guys. Pretty car. Door buzzer works. All your gauges are working. Man, it's a nice car, guys. Doggone, it's pretty. know the factory radio works. You just got to let it warm up. You just turn it on, it actually comes on. Blower motor does work. It's got the old solid state. It's got to warm up, but it does come on. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. Every time I post a car, you get a notification that lets you know that there's a new car posted. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.